did it have? How much time did it take?
That's an interesting question. About 6 months. Actually, they were not allowed to shoot in Makkah and Medina. Therefore, they had to build artificial cities in Morocco and in Libya. It took about 6 months to prepare the sets for that film. And the shooting continued for about 1 year. And interestingly, this film has been made in 2 languages. First of all, it is in English, and the second version is Arabic, yes. And Mustafa Akkad, who is the director, did not agree to dub it. He said that it was not possible for me because I am an Arab. He is a Syrian. I am an Arab. I know that while talking, when an Arab talks, his nuances and body language is entirely different from those of the people who live in the West. Therefore, he did not want to dub it. What he did, he actually started shooting it twice.
Simultaneously, once in English and then in Arabic. This scene would be redone.
Scene was redone, and all the cast was different. The cast for the English version was entirely different from the one that was working for the Arabic version.